Good day, everyone. Learn how to get API key from Google AI Studio. So you are logged into your Google, and here you need to type Google AI Studio. The first result will come Google AI Studio, and then we will click on Image Generation API, Google Gemini API. And to get the API key, we will log in right here. Now, once you're here, it will give you an option to get started, and we will click on get started. And then we need to do the check mark and click on continue. And you will see a window like this, where at the left hand side you have home, playground, and here we have this Google AI Studio get AI API key. So from Google AI Studio, to get the API key, we will click on get API key. So you will already have the API right there. If you do not see it, or if you already have it, you can create a new one. Let's say if you have like this, you do not have any key, you can create an API key. You can name it. I'll name test, and select a cloud project. You can import the project. You can create the project. So you can name the project whatever you want to, and then click on create. And it will ask you to click on create key. And it's creating the API key for Google AI Studio. And from here, you can simply copy it. You can click on that and you get to know about the key. And this is how you can get it. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.